Merry Christmas to you all. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 faceless YouTube niches you haven't tried. Plus, I'll show you similar channels that are also performing well in the same niche. Some of these niches make up to $14,000 per month with high RPM. So, grab a cup of coffee, hit that like and subscribe button, and let's dive in. Alright, so the first one is called Realms Unraveled. This channel was created about a year ago. It has about 130,000 subscribers with only 62 uploads. The channel delves into the deep lore behind major events, characters, and settings in Middle-earth. This type of content often analyzes the connections between Tolkien's world and broader mythological themes. It appeals to those who enjoy the academic and mythological aspects of fantasy storytelling. Alright, so this video, which was posted about 2 months ago, is still getting about 100 views per hour. Let's take a chance and look at how it looks.
In a time before the events of The Lord of the Rings, a child was born who belonged to the ancient line of the kings of Gondor and Arnor. The venerable lineage of this boy stood as a whispered promise of hope amidst the gathering gloom that threatened to engulf Middle-earth. Join us as we uncover the events that forged Aragorn's character and journey through the lost adventures of his youth. The secret trail.
Using View Start, let's check the profile of this channel. And as you can see, in the last 28 days, it's had over 270 million views. The estimated revenue is up to 2.5K, meaning the RPM of this niche is about $4 to $5, because the target audience is aged 45 to 60. So the RPM is very high. When talking about similar channels, Net of the Range is also a similar channel, and it's doing very well. As you can see, the views are crazy. It also posts about myths, folktales, and more. If you want me to show you how to create all these videos, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll show you a step-by-step process on how you can create these videos using AI tools. Alright, so the next one is called History in Focus. It has over 100,000 subscribers and 73 uploads. If you sort these videos by popularity, you can see some have gained about 3 million views within 7 months, 2 million views, and 1 million views. It's very impressive. The channel delves into the pages of history through captivating images, providing viewers with a visual journey into the past. The channel offers a variety of content, including videos and shorts covering intriguing historical topics. For instance, it features stories such as The Empress Who Went Insane, The Last Stand of the Foreign Legion, and clarifications on historical events like Cinco de Mayo is not Independence Day. Now, let's check out the estimated revenue for this niche. Check this out. It's crazy. In the last 28 days, this channel has received over 2 million views with an estimated revenue of $5,000 to $14,000. The RPM for this niche is about $3 to $4 because the age demographics are around 45 to 65 years, meaning the purchasing power of ads is very high. A similar channel doing great in this niche is History in a Frame. By focusing on historical photographs, History in Focus provides a unique perspective on significant moments and figures from the past, making history accessible and engaging for its audience. If you love cats, let me know in the comment section below because the next niche is about caring for cats. Curious Cat is a channel dedicated to cat enthusiasts, offering insights into feline psychology, health, and behavior. This channel provides a variety of content aimed at enhancing the bond between cat owners and their pets. For instance, it explores topics such as signs that indicate a deep connection with your cat, behaviors that suggest your cat feels safe around you, and common myths.
You buy a cozy little bed for your cats, but notice they prefer to settle into a simple cardboard box instead. Have you ever wondered why this happens? Why do cats love such an ordinary object so much? The reasons behind this behavior are surprising.
With over 100,000 subscribers, this channel is pulling in significant numbers. In the last 28 days, it has received about 450,000 views and earned between $100 and $240. I know this may seem low, but the cost of producing these videos is very minimal. Plus, you can monetize it by selling pet food to make extra income for yourself. We all know that kids love Lego toys. This channel specializes in creating and showcasing intricate Lego builds, inspired by various pop culture themes. The channel features a variety of content, including detailed tutorials and time-lapse videos of complex Lego construction. One notable video showcases the construction of the entire Skibidi toilet in Lego, highlighting the channel's creativity and attention to detail. With just 37,000 subscribers and 8 uploads, this channel is generating impressive views. It started about a year ago,
This is a Lego cake minifigure. This is a Lego cake, and this is a Lego cake you can eat. In this video, we're making Lego food you can't eat and a bunch of Lego food you can eat. And yes, we're gonna be taste testing
and has around 7 million views with only 8 uploads. Checking out the profile of this channel, it has made between $2,000 and $7,000 in the last 28 days after receiving about 1 million views. The RPM is about $2 to $3 because the age demographic is probably 13 to 24 years. This channel replicates the success of others, showing how to use Lego to build various things. I came across this channel called Texty Stories. You might think this channel isn't making any money, but it received over 500,000 views in the last 18 days, earning up to $2,000 during that time. This channel presents engaging narratives through text message format, offering viewers a unique storytelling experience. It covers various genres including romantic, dramatic, and suspenseful tales. For instance, one of their popular videos, Texting a Gold Digger, showcases a prank text story about a girl who went on a date and realized she made a mistake. Another notable video, Telling My Best Friend I Love Her, Romantic Texty Stories, explores the dynamics of confessing feelings to a close friend. Don't forget to subscribe because I'll be showing you how to replicate the success of some of these YouTube channels in my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.